Alright guys, so I don't think I really got a very good quality sound on the last few videos because of the rain, and I had the windows cracked at some point on a couple of the videos. But I'm just trying to get some interior sounds for this S&B cold air intake. I know I've heard a couple people say that you really can't hear the turbo noise, and that was true anything over around 2200 RPM all the way up to redline. You really don't hear anything any more than you would, you know, normally, except for the fact it's just a little bit louder. And now, down on the lower side, you can definitely hear it. I mean, there's definitely a different tone, and you can actually hear a little bit of a whistle. So I'm going to shut up and drive a little bit and let y'all hear for yourself. Well, we're not going to show our tail right now. By the way, if you're a boy in blue, I appreciate your service. I'm going to engage the tow haul mode, which also engages the turbo brake, the exhaust brake. So we'll let you hear that. It does create a little bit of a difference in sound, not major, but just a little bit. Here it's engaged on the brakes, coming up on a red light. Alright, I'm going to leave that engaged, and on green we'll go ahead and give it a little throttle. I'm going to try to run it on up into red line so you can kind of get the whole range of what it sounds like, and then we're going to cut this off, and my next video will be the last review. Full review. Taking the exhaust brake back off. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. If you have any questions, leave some comments below, and I'll try to do my best to answer those for you. Talk to you later.